Hey stars, welcome back to the channel. It's Somso here, and if this is the first time you're coming across me, hey boo, it's so lovely that you stopped by today. Please do well to stay, okay? Because I promise you on this channel I have a lot of beautiful, a lot of classy, a lot of serene, a lot of chic short haircuts and hairstyles for my black queens. And it does not just end there. I have beauty, talking makeup, transitions, I have fashion as well, trust me. And you do not want to miss out on my motherhood and daily life vlogs, trust me, that is the real deal. Honestly, this channel is the place for you to be, no kidding. Okay, so whatever your interest is, whatever your age, 18, 16, 20, 30, 35, 60, 70, I have everything for you, no matter what it is that you want, okay? Yeah. Stars, my babies, how are you all doing? I know you guys missed this series, this short course. I know you missed it. Don't worry, I am here. Star have got you. Okay, Star got you. I'm here for you. Okay. Stars, today I have 16. Yes, 16 most beautiful, most adoring, most anti-aging, most intriguing, age rewinding short haircuts and hairstyles for my black queens. I'm talking platinum, I'm talking red, black, I'm talking ginger, like all round that, all shades of gorgeousness, like all shades of uniqueness. Today you're going to love this, trust me. The serenity and the boldness, I've never seen something so serene and something so bold at the same time. These my gorgeous black queens are giving. Forget it, black women are beautiful. Have you seen the beauty of these ladies with short haircuts? Oh my gosh, no, like, no, don't play. Like, these ladies are so gorgeous. Like, I literally cry editing these videos. And this baba, the guy said his hands are blessed. Like, the guy did do magic for real, honestly. Stars, I hope you stick around and watch this one to the end, and remember to let me know where you're watching this video from so that I can give you a massive shout out in my next video, okay? Do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and please share it with somebody. Share this video to a black queen that is in need of it, okay? As always, my love, you know we're not here to play. I do hope that you enjoy watching this video today as much as I do editing it, because these ones are so beautiful, okay? Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, my loves. But do not go anywhere yet until you watch till the end. And do not forget to let me know your favorites in the comment sections also. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you now. I'll speak to you or in my next one. But before then, do not forget to catch up on my previous uploads. I have a ton of short haircuts and hairstyles, a ton of vlogs, a ton of wig installs, wig tutorials, and everything for you to stay glued to. I love you so much, and I just want to let you know that Somto Star is a channel that you need to be at. So do not go anywhere. I love you. Bye, my love.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.